In today's world, a smartphone isn't just a device. It's how we work, connect, and capture life. Motorola understands this, and that's why they've created the Moto G 2026, a phone designed to deliver reliable performance, long battery life, and a clean Android experience at an affordable price. The Moto G 2026 features a modern, comfortable design that feels solid in the hand. Its large, bright display makes everything look better, from streaming videos and browsing social media to gaming and video calls. The slim profile and durable build ensure it fits seamlessly into everyday life. Powered by a capable processor with 5G connectivity, the Moto G 2026 delivers smooth performance for daily tasks. Apps open quickly, multitasking feels responsive, and online experiences are fast and reliable. Motorola's near-stock Android interface keeps things simple, clean, and free from unnecessary clutter, exactly how Android should feel. The 50-megapixel main camera uses AI enhancements to capture clear, detailed photos in a variety of lighting conditions. Whether you're taking portraits, landscapes, or everyday moments, the Moto G 2026 helps you capture memories with confidence. The front camera is optimized for selfies and video calls, ensuring you always look your best. One of the biggest strengths of the Moto G 2026 is its all-day battery life. Designed to last from morning to night, it keeps up with your routine without constant charging. And when you do need power, fast charging gets you back up and running quickly. With built-in security features and regular software updates, the Moto G 2026 keeps your data protected. Motorola's reputation for durability and reliability means this is a phone you can depend on every day. The Moto G 2026 proves that you don't need to spend flagship-level money to get a great smartphone experience. It strikes the perfect balance between performance, features, and price. If you're looking for a smart, dependable phone that delivers where it matters most, the choice is clear. The Motorola Moto G 2026, built for real life, priced for real people.